Hey guys, giving an update in the X-Wing. I got the wing servos in. So anyway, here's what I did for the wings. We just mount two servos, and if you can see right there, it's got a push rod going down to the wing, and that's it. And I did the same thing on the other side. And all it does is the servo pulls up, and it pulls the wing up on this side here. It'll pull this wing up, the left one, and the bottom right one. And on this one here, pulls up the top right one, the bottom left one. This is a real pain. I originally had a much simpler idea how to do it, and it worked. It worked fine. I thought I could just throw a servo in there and put a push rod and be done with it, but it didn't quite work out that way. I did get it to work. I originally had one. Check out this big fat foam block here. I originally had one skinny one and one servo in the middle. Had a digital high torque metal one. And then what I had was, see the little wood pieces on the bottom? They were extended all the way up to about the height of the push rod, and I had it one on each side. And I had one servo in the middle with a long rod, and all it would do is just turn. Whenever it would turn, it would pull, or say this one turned this way here, it would pull this push rod in. It pinched them together pretty much. They'd open and close. The little horns would stick up, and then when it twisted and turned, it would pull them together. And then when the servo turned the other way, it pushed them back apart and make them open and close. Which that worked, except for there was too much mechanical slop. There was just too much slop. And this right here, the servos, was going to keep the wings from twisting from the fuselage. So once I got it in there, I could move around the fuselage, wiggle it, and the wings would just sit there and flop back and forth and work out. So I put two servos, and the simplest way I can think of it is just direct. Well, with a push rod, it's going straight down to it and straight to the servo. So it pulls it up and pushes it down. The same thing for the other side, and that's it. The servo tray, I'm going to do those out of wood. The reason why I got this thick piece of wood foam here is because when I did it originally on a thinner piece, the foam would flex. And I just didn't want to go building up a whole servo tray out of wood if, it's not going to be permanent. It's just for testing to see what works. So when I go to do the main one, I'm going to have it all, I'm going to have the servo tray built out of wood, and inside is actually going to be hollow. There's not going to be no styrofoam or nothing. It might come in just a little bit inside the wing, just to hide it, but that's about it. It'll be all open. So that's it. Okay, let me show you how the wings work. Alright, and here's with the wing open and closing. And that's it. Works out pretty good. How it works. I think it's pretty easy. Just pulls them straight up and down on each side. That's it. So there it is. So the wings open. I think it looks pretty cool. Like the movie. I'm getting excited. Should hurry up and get done with it. I wasted a lot of time yesterday. It's taking forever because one of the servos didn't work out in the back like I wanted, so I had to think of something else. And then I had to glue the little wood things on the side, keep it from flexing. So I at least want this one here to be functional where I can fly it. It's ugly, but I just want it to fly to see how it works out. That's it. Like I was saying, I'm going to put a servo per wing because I really can't figure out a way to do it with like one servo per side or something. I don't know. I was thinking about using a push, like a flex rod or something. I think it'd just be easier just to cut the aileron and put the servo right about here, because all this is going to be, see this little notch right here? It comes out and right here, and then the wing starts right here. Actually, in the real one, it comes up right here, like in a diagonal, and then it comes down, and then you have the motor, the engine. So I can hide a servo in there or something. And I'll just run a push rod out to it and just same thing, make it go up and down. Same thing for all of them. And I'm going to make it to where I can take the wings on and off, because this is going to be kind of big. But that's it. That's all I got for right now. Oh yeah, one other thing what I'm going to do. I know for a fact it's not going to fly with the wings down. I don't think it will at all, because it needs a vertical stabilizer. So what I'm going to do in the other one, when the wings are up, I'm going to try to see how this one does with the wings up. I might have to make them go up a little more to have it act kind of like a V-tail, you know, to stabilize it. But I'm thinking it should work like this. I don't know, I'm hoping, I'm being optimistic, like this, because I got one on top and one on the bottom, so maybe it helps it better. I don't know. But anyway, when it closes on the other one, I think what I'm going to do is have a little vertical stabilizer where as soon as these close, two of them pop up. I'm going to have it to where when the wings close, two little vertical stabilizers are hidden in here. They just pop up, and I guess I'll have them clear. And that way it'll have a rudder, you know, kind of vertical back there to keep it from spinning. And I'm going to put it clear so you can't see it, but I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to get it to work with the wings closed, because I really want this to open and close and not be fixed. You know, it's a lot cooler if you have them where to open and close, so you can do a flyby, have them close and open them up, and, you know, fly around and stuff like that. So that's my plan. And I'll be getting some more videos up as soon as my stuff comes in. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it.